Good day friends, my name is Dr. Shweta Goyal and my another topic in power lecture series is Dirac and Triac. Okay, so first of all Dirac, this is my session outline for Dirac, meaning of Dirac, use of Dirac, symbol, structure and characteristics of Dirac. So Dirac is basically a diode for alternating current. We all know that diode is used for DC only, but Dirac is when diode is used for AC signal, alternating signal. Then Dirac, that is D-I-A-N-C, Dirac. Okay. So, Dirac is diode for AC signal. When diode is used for AC signal, that is called diode. Dirac basically used in AC current along with Triac. I will explain later Triac. So, Dirac is also used to trigger Triac. It is also used to trigger Triac. Then I will explain Triac. That's why. This is a symbol of Dirac. This one. This is a symbol of Dirac, MT1, MT2. Two terminals are there and two diode is connected back to back. So this is Dirac. Okay. So MT1, MT2 are terminal. One diode in positive direction, other one is negative direction. So this is a symbol of Dirac. This is a structure of Dirac. Diode निकल रहा है. MT1 and MT2 are there. So P1 N1, P2 N2 and N3. This is basically a structure of Dirac. MT1 and MT1 is made by P1 and N1 and MT2 terminal 2 is made by P2 and N3. Okay. So this is for junction. So P1 N1, P2 N2 and N2. MT1 and MT2. So there are two cases are possible for Dirac working. First one is when MT1 is positive with respect to MT2 and MT2 is positive with respect to MT1. So first case is there when MT1 is positive with respect to MT2. MT1 is positive with respect to MT2. So when MT1 is positive, the polarity will be P1. This is majority carrier are there and N3 will be majority carrier in MT2. So we can neglect N1. So P1 we can neglect N1 because where MT1 is more positive than MT2. So N1 is neglected. M1, P1, N2, P2 and N3. There N3 is more positive than P2. So this is in forward bias. P1 and N2. N2 and P2 will be in reverse bias. It will be in reverse bias. And this one is forward bias. So after having a breakdown of reverse bias junction, N2 and P2 junction, the current will flow like this, MT1 to MT2. Current will flow in this direction. So this is a working when MT1 is positive with respect to MT2. Second case when MT2 is negative with respect to MT2 is positive with respect to MT2. So in this case N3 will be neglected. So P2, N2, P1 and N1. This one. Because MT is negative with respect to MT2. So N1 is here and P2 is here. This is in forward bias. This will be in reverse bias and this will be in forward bias. Current will flow after breakdown of P2 N2 junction. P2 N2 junction. So current will flow from MT2 to MT1. Because in AC signal current will like positive, negative, positive, negative. So For positive half cycle, Mt1 is positive with respect to Mt2, and negative half cycle, Mt2 is positive with respect to Mt2. That's why it is flow in both direction. It is a bidirectional junction for bidirectional component for AC signal, and it does not have any gate control. Okay, it does not have any gate control. This is the characteristics of dioc. The first one, when Mt1 is positive with respect to Mt2, then before breakdown, small minor current will be flow. After breakdown, the sudden current will increase. Sudden current will increase. And here, when Mt2 is positive with respect to Mt1, after having breakdown, sudden current will increase. Before breakdown, the small current will be there. Okay, this is called leakage current. We can write here. This is called leakage current. This is breakdown region, and this is active region, we can say. There are no region, but small sudden current will be there, and here sudden current will be negative direction. So diode also a bidirectional device without any gate current. So this is a dioc. Now triac. There are my session outline for triac, uses of triac, symbol, equivalent circuit, characteristics of triac, and applications of triac. Dioc is used to trigger triac, basically. This is triac. Triac is also known as triode for alternating signal. Triode for alternating signal. It is an advanced version of diode. It has a controlling terminal where two SCR is connected back to back. That means it makes triac. Okay, it is an advanced version of dioc, basically. Diode means dioc. Okay, uses triac can trigger the both direction, and like SCR. SCR is triggered for one direction, and triac can be triggered in both direction. I will explain how. So this is a symbol of triac, Mt1, Mt2, and this is gate terminal. So dioc doesn't have any gate terminal, and this triac have gate as a controlling terminal. So one SCR and two SCR is connected back to back. So this is three terminal bidirectional device. Dioc is two terminal bidirectional device. This is three terminal bidirectional device. How it is connected, I will explain in equivalent circuit. So T1, one thyristor is connected, two thyristor is connected back to back. One is this direction, second in this direction, and gate of both thyristor is connected with each other. That is making gate terminal Mt1 and Mt2. This is our equivalent circuit of triac. When Mt1 is positive with respect to Mt2, then T1 is in forward bias, and when Mt2 is positive with respect to Mt2, T2 will be forward bias. The current will be this direction, and for Mt2 current will be in this direction, like dioc. But it has controlling terminal. That is gate terminal. So this is the difference between dioc and triac. This is the characteristics of triode. This one. So characteristics is just like a dioc, but it has controlling gate terminal. If we increase the gate current, we are able to get the initial breakover. Or this is for Mt1 with respect to Mt2, and this is for Mt2 positive with respect to Mt1. So initially when breakdown is not there, So in small current will flow. After breakdown, in the maximum current will flow. See, here is also like that. So gate terminal, just like an SCR, there is the gate terminals. I will share the link in a comment in a description box of SCR characteristics. So according to this SCR, where Ig3 is greater than Ig2 and greater than Ig1. So I will connect the link in a description box of characteristics of SCR. You can see there how it can possible of gate terminal. So this is the characteristics of triode. What is the application of triode? It can control lamp. Speed control of fans can be used by triode. In choppers, triode will be used, and the phase control of AC signal will be there for triode by triode. So this is my session for diode and diac and triac. So if you have any query regarding diac and triac, you can comment me in a comment box. I will explain there. If you want notes, you can comment me in a comment box. I will upload my notes also. If you have any query regarding this session, you can ask me. If you have any suggestion regarding my lecture, you can also comment me in a comment box. Please subscribe my channel for another videos. Thank you.